Okay, you guys, I have a Nissan 200Sx. Today we're going to be changing the speed sensor, part number 0905093. The speed sensor is only for manual vehicles, 1.6 liters, twin cam, 16 valve, okay? The only thing you need is a size 10 wrench. That would help you out. Now, let me show you where it's at. You can actually see it from right here. I'll zoom in. Okay, bear with me, you guys. And there you have it. It's right there, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and disconnect that plug. And then you can see the size 10 right there, okay? Okay, I disconnected my plug. Okay, time to take that size 10 bolt out, okay? Okay, you guys can see a size 10 bolt, so go ahead and put your ratchet on there and start loosening it up, okay? Okay, you guys, my bolt is out. Okay, you guys, in order to take the sensor out, all you need to do is twist it and pull it at the same time, okay? So left and right, twist it, and then kind of pull it up. Here it comes out, okay? Guys, so we have our used speed sensor, and here is our new speed sensor, okay? Always make sure they line up. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get a little bit of this transmission oil and lube up this O-ring right here before I squeeze it in, okay? Now when you put it in, you make sure that it's lubricated around the O-ring. You know, get a little bit of this oil with your finger off and just rub it around here. Now when you put it in, you're gonna put it in and kind of twist it down slowly, gently. Don't force it or you're gonna bite the O-ring and you're gonna have a bad leak, okay? So don't force it, don't ever force it in there, you know, gently. It'll go down by itself, you know. Just gently snug it in there. Okay, so as soon as it goes down, you guys, make sure you line up the hole, okay? Go ahead and grab your bolt. Put it in the hole with your hand first. Well, you don't have to take no intake out. Any type of cables, you can just work behind here. But if it makes it easier for you, you can go ahead and take off whatever you want. So just turn it by hand first, okay? Then you can get your tool. Don't over tighten it. Go ahead and grab your plug. Okay. Perfect. And you guys are done.